Good day once again, beautiful people. Welcome. So now we have two equations, a linear equation and a quadratic equation. So here we are going to solve for x and y simultaneously. So good people, let us begin. So first of all, remember we equate our equations. So this becomes our equation number one, and this becomes equation number two. So we are going to use a substitution method in this case. So what do we do next, good people? We make on our linear equation, we make either x or y subject of the formula. So in this case, it's going to be simple to make y subject of the formula. Good people. So let us get to it. So now what we do, we take is we're going to have on the left hand side negative y equal to negative 3 because 3 is positive on that right hand side will be negative, so we take 2 to that side is going to be negative 2. Good people, so we want positive y, not negative y, so we are just going to divide by negative throughout the equation there. Then the value of y here will be equal to 3x because negative divided by negative is positive. So even here we are going to have positive 2, good people. So this becomes our equation number 3. But be aware of one thing, good people, that in both our equations, we know we were going to substitute equation number 3 into equation 2. We are going to substitute this into this. But then, good people, it's obvious that here our y here and our y here is the same thing. So we're just going to equate the equations there. There's nothing actually complicated. We just equate it. We can even say you substitute this one here. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, it's still the same. So you can just write the equate equation 3x plus 2 on that one. So let us get to it. So this is what we are going to have when we equate. We're going to have 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 will be equal to negative x squared. Yes, negative x squared, good people, plus 2x plus again 8. So this is it, good people. So now we are aware that we have a quadratic equation. We just have to add the like terms there, good people, so that it will be in a quadratic order. So in a quadratic form, good people. So let us do that. So we know here we're gonna it's going to be 0 on the left hand side because we're gonna take everything to the right hand side. Here we're going to have negative x squared. Then this one goes there is going to be 2 minus 2 minus 3. So it's going to give us negative x here, good people. Then we take that 2 to that side. It's going to give us 6. Yes, because it's going to be 8 minus 2. We are going to have 6 there, good people. So it is clear now we are going to factorize, good people, this uh, this equation here. We're going to factorize in order to find the value of x. So let us get to that right away. So before we factorize, good people, we have to remove this negative sign here. So how do we do that? We divide all over by negative sign, so by negative 1. So that is what we are going to do exactly. So we're going to have 0 equal to, this becomes x squared, and that one we know is going to be positive here, x, and that one is going to be negative 6. So good people, then we factorize this equation here. So remember, we are going to look for the factors of 6 that you add. They give you how much? 1. So We actually we know it's going to be scoring 3 and 2, good people. So here is our 3 here, and here is our 2. So for the signs, we look at the middle term. So our middle term is positive here. So that means our bigger number, our bigger factor becomes positive here. So and we look also again on our last term here, good people. So the value of our constant there is positive, is negative, sorry, good people. So meaning here we have to have a negative sign here, so that when we know we multiply this, we get a negative 6 there. And when we actually add these two, we are gonna get a negative 1 here, good people. So a positive 1 here, good people. So that's how we you actually come with it. So now we have x equal to negative 3, or x will be equal to 2, good people. Yes, this is our value. This is our values of x, good people. So remember that we were asked to solve both x and y. So for us to be able to actually find the value of y's, we are going to substitute these answers that we have here on our linear equation, on equation number 3. So let us do that, good people. So remember our third equation was y equal to 3x plus 2. So we are going to substitute the value of negative 3 here where we see our x to find the value of y. So on the index side also, we are just going to have y equal to 3x plus 2. And we also going to substitute this value here for us to find another value of y. So now it's going to be equal to 3, where we see x, remember we put negative 3 there, and then we are going to plus 2 there. So equal to, then you work that one out, and here also we have 3 into, then we put 2 there. So plus, remember, plus and plus 2. So now we find our values here. So here we are going to have a 6 plus 2, which is going to be 8. Here is going to be 8, good people. So on this side, we're just going to multiply 3 by negative 3 plus 2, which is going to give us negative 7, good people, because it's going to be negative 9 plus 2. Our y here is equal to negative 7. So the values of y is negative 7 and 8, good people. So I hope you will subscribe, good people, for more of solutions like this. Yes, and we are keen to actually provide you with daily maths. Yes, good people, enjoy your